Hey. Hey, y'all. I hope you're doing great today. And I'm glad you're here with me. Don't forget, though, if you enjoy my videos, please hit subscribe because it helps me out so much. And girl always appreciates support. So I got these fresh green beans, and I just wanted to fix them a different way today instead of Southern style. Cook real soft with ham jowl or bacon or ham hocks. So I've got about 2 pounds of these fresh green beans. You know what? I think I want to do this another way that will make it a little easier for me. So I think I'm going to mix these in a bowl first. I think I'll have better control over it. But halfway the cooking time, I am going to have to come in here and stir the pan. All right. So, yeah, that'll be so much easier for me. All right. I got my purple onion. I hope these are going to be good. I think they will. Got a lot of good stuff going in with it. All right, and I've baby portobellos, which I just love. They're almost like eating meat to me. They make a wonderful sandwich, the big portobellos. Okay. So I'm going to toss this in a little vegetable oil. See what I mean about it being easier to do that in a bowl. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Not too much in case I can get the kids to eat this, which I doubt. So I'm just going to toss those, make sure they all got a little drink of oil. Okay. Here we go. Looks good, doesn't it? Beautiful colors. And this is kind of quick and easy because my green beans cooked Southern style is so wonderful, but they do take longer. So I got my chopped up bacon. And I'm just going to spread that around. And that little bit of bacon's just going to give it some wonderful flavor. Don't you think I'm missing you, Mr. Hog? I gotcha. Okay, they're ready to go in the oven, and we're going to cook them for about 35 minutes, and we're going to come in and stir them halfway through the cooking time. Look at our green beans, would you? Now, I've got a few more ingredients. I've got fresh thyme that I'm going to sprinkle over these. And remember, I did stir it like halfway through. This is a little vinegar. I can't see if it's coming out or not, Egg, because it's clear and I can't too much see it. All right, now here's the secret ingredient that we're going to add to our fresh green beans, and that's crumbled up pork rinds. A little more pork to go with that bacon that's in there. And you want to serve this immediately because you don't want your pork rinds to get like soggy. You want them to hear them pop. I just heard the pork skins pop. So I'm gonna hear them. Do you hear them, Eddie?
Mm-hmm.
Nick, come in here and taste these green beans.
They look good.
That's pork rinds on top of them.
Oh, really? I never heard of that. Just grab one.
Yeah, get you the mushrooms and the bacon.
Well, you put bacon on anything.
And the pork rind.
You know it?
Nick is over here today to help me cook some quail. So.
And sample.
And sample, yes. How'd you like that? Isn't that good?
It is.
Yum, yum.
That could be a meal in itself.
I know it, but if you were waiting for the steaks to come off the grill or something, you wouldn't want to put the pork rinds on it until you're ready to eat. I couldn't believe they were popping like.
I guess they get soggy or what?
Yeah, they can get soggy.
I got you.
And I think you'd want them where they're crunchy.
That's good.
I hear you.
That's a good idea.
I hear you chomping.
Yep.
So I hope that y'all will stay tuned and join us for the cooking of the quail with Nick Groover, the big hunter. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.